Now the final, Ghana versus Ivory Coast. I mean,
it takes your mind back to the 1992. We all thought, okay, the Ghanaians were going to break the jinx, but unfortunately they've not won the Nations Cup since 1982. We thought, okay, yeah, this time it was going to be there, because Ivory Coast, like I said, they kept coming good
game by game.
So it was just for the Ghanaians to do something extra. I thought they had a good game, but the strength, and the intelligence of the likes of Yaya Toure and Gervinho was just the difference. And then you had a Wilfred Bony who was bullying everybody around. So for them to have lost, it's disappointing. But then I'm very happy that Yaya Toure got the trophy.
Okay, towards the end of the 30 minutes extra time, Asamoah Gyan was substituted. I, for one, was very surprised. Were you?
Well, we just sit and watch, as fans and analysts, but the coach knows the team.
Was he thinking right?
Yeah, he knows the team, and then if I think it was a gamble. If he had paid off, he would take the credit. So it's just, when we say that coaches live by their results. When you're not doing well, everybody's at your neck. When you're doing well, the ovation is high. So if he had worked for them, it would have been, wow, he made a good change. But now everybody's like, why did he take Gyan off? But I think the coach is the only person that can answer that question.
Now the penalty shootout, Ghana had a chance. Ivory Coast lost the first 2 penalties, and Ghana just threw everything in the air.
Well, penalty shootout, a lot of people say it's a game of luck, but sometimes when you don't take your chances, things can turn around in just like what happened. You had 2 goals up. Your opponent had thrown away 2 penalties. I mean, we all thought it was all wrapped up for the Ghanaians, but for some reason, some goalkeepers just put up superb shows and brought the Ivorians back into the game, and then we just sat glued to our TV watching how it was going to unfold, and eventually we had I think 9-8.
Final score.
Interesting. It was going to be like I thought about it. In 2012 they played Zambia, and they lost to Zambia on penalties, the Ivorians. And now this was another penalty, because I knew immediately we got into extra time, the Ivorians were going to do everything possible to avoid a penalty. But as God would have it, they went through to penalties, and for some reason you saw a Gervinho who just sat and wasn't ready to look at what was happening. So congratulations to the Ivorians, and I think the Ghanaian side is still very young. They have a very good chance of winning the African Nations Cup with that squad.